Welcome to Garden Dreams. At Garden Dreams, we believe that every garden can become a personal paradise. Modern Balinese garden principles for designing low-maintenance functional relaxation zones. Imagine stepping into your backyard and instantly feeling the calm, peaceful atmosphere of a luxury tropical retreat. Modern Balinese gardens are loved for their relaxing energy, natural beauty, and effortless elegance. But the best part is that today's Balinese-inspired landscapes are not just beautiful. They are also designed to be functional, practical, and surprisingly low maintenance. By combining tropical textures, natural materials, and minimalist planning, you can create an outdoor space that feels like a private resort without spending hours maintaining it every week. One of the core principles of modern Balinese garden design is simplicity. Instead of overcrowding the landscape with too many plants or decorations, focus on intentional design choices that create harmony and balance. Clean pathways, open lounging spaces, and carefully selected greenery make the garden feel spacious and calming. Every element should serve a purpose, whether it is creating shade, improving airflow, or enhancing relaxation. This minimalist approach not only looks elegant but also reduces maintenance over time. A low-maintenance Balinese garden begins with choosing the right plants. Select tropical species that naturally adapt to warm climates and require minimal care once established. Plants like palms, bird of paradise, bamboo, heliconia, and frangipani instantly create the lush Balinese atmosphere while remaining resilient and easy to manage. Layering different heights of greenery also adds depth and privacy without needing excessive landscaping work. The goal is to create a garden that feels abundant and alive while still remaining manageable. Modern Balinese gardens are designed around comfort and relaxation. Instead of filling the yard with decorative objects, prioritize functional spaces where people can truly unwind. Use natural materials such as teak wood, stone, gravel, and textured concrete to create cozy seating areas, meditation corners, or shaded patios. A simple wooden bench surrounded by tropical greenery can feel more luxurious than an overly decorated space. Soft lighting, flowing curtains, and earthy textures help transform the garden into a peaceful retreat both day and night. Water is an important element in Balinese landscaping because it creates a soothing sensory experience. However, modern designs often use smaller and simpler water features that are easier to maintain. A compact reflecting pond, minimalist fountain, or gentle wall waterfall can instantly add tranquility without requiring extensive upkeep. The sound of flowing water masks noise from surrounding areas and enhances the feeling of calmness throughout the garden. Comfort is one of the most important features of a functional relaxation zone. Balinese gardens are carefully designed to stay cool and comfortable even during hot weather. Pergolas, tropical trees, bamboo screens, and layered plants help filter sunlight naturally while maintaining airflow. Instead of blocking the environment completely, the design encourages gentle breezes to move through the space. This creates a refreshing outdoor atmosphere that feels comfortable throughout the day. One reason Balinese gardens feel so luxurious is because they seamlessly connect indoor and outdoor spaces. Large sliding doors, stone pathways, and matching materials help create visual continuity between the home and garden. Even a small backyard can feel expansive when the transition feels natural and uninterrupted. By treating the garden as an extension of the living space, you create a multifunctional area perfect for relaxing, entertaining, reading, or enjoying quiet morning coffee. Modern Balinese landscapes rely on natural tones to create a soothing atmosphere. Warm wood, soft beige stone, charcoal accents, and rich green foliage work together to produce a timeless and elegant appearance. Avoid overly bright colors or excessive decorative elements that can make the space feel busy. Neutral tones help highlight the textures of tropical plants and natural materials while maintaining the peaceful resort-inspired aesthetic. A beautiful Balinese garden should feel inviting both during the day and at night. Soft ambient lighting can completely transform the atmosphere after sunset. Warm pathway lights, lanterns, hidden uplighting beneath plants, and subtle pendant lights create a cozy and intimate mood. Instead of overly bright lighting, focus on gentle illumination that enhances shadows, textures, and the natural beauty of the garden. Evening lighting adds depth and creates a luxurious resort-like experience right at home. Modern Balinese garden design is about more than just aesthetics. It is about creating a lifestyle centered around peace, comfort, and connection with nature. By focusing on simplicity, functional layouts, tropical greenery, and low-maintenance materials, you can design a relaxing outdoor sanctuary that feels elegant and effortless every day. Whether your space is large or small, these principles can help transform any backyard into a calming retreat inspired by the beauty of Bali.